Hi all. So today I welcome you again on my channel codingmentor.com. So this is the day 8 of our playlist 50 days 50 Python programs. In this I'm explaining all 50 Python programs for absolute beginners that can get some hands-on experience by working on these programs and getting them some experience that how what are modules, how to use loops in Python and many other stuff. So without wasting your time, so let's get started. So the thing is, today we will discuss about the program how to check if a number is positive, negative or zero in Python. So in the earlier program 7, that means day 7, I taught you that we can take input from the user in Python as well. So today we will also we will first take a input from the user. Let's suppose the input user has entered 5. So for that number, we need to check if it is a positive number, negative number or 0. So let's get started with the coding part. For that, we need to create one file and right click, Control S, and it is program 8.py. Okay, so the first thing is we need to take the input from the user. Let's suppose I'm writing input enter equals to input. Then we need to ask the user to enter some input by giving some message. So I'm giving enter the number to be checked. Okay. One thing to be noted down here, whatever the input will be entered by the user will be in the string format. But as we need to check some numbers, so we need to convert string into int. That means convert string input entered to integer first. So how we can do that? We will again write input entered will be equal to str of input entered. You can do like this also. I'm sorry, it is to be int. Or you can just put the int here only. That means on the first part, first line itself. So whatever the input will be given by the user will be converted into int. Okay. So now the input has been given. The next step is we need to use if else loop. We need to use if else loop. Okay. First, we will check if the number is greater than 0. That means it is a positive number. If a number is less than 0, then it is a negative number. And if number is equal to 0, then it is 0. If input entered, how we compare or the values in Python? If you will write equal, then 0, then 0 will be the value of input entered. But we need to go with less than sign if input entered is it is greater than. First we will check for the positive number, then we will print the result. The number entered is positive. Then we will go with the elif condition, not else. Because if we have two conditions, then we will go with the else. But now we have three conditions to check. So we will use if elif input entered is less than 0, Then we will print the number entered is negative. Now the third condition is we need to go with else condition. Else print the number entered is 0. So let's see what would be the output. We will run our program. How can we run the program in console, or we can say CMD? So for that we need to write Python, then space, then the file name. Here my file name is program8.py. Let's see, I'm giving 4. So it is checking the number entered is positive. Again, let's do it again. Again we will run our code. Now this time I will give -9. Let's see what would be the output of that. So the number entered is negative. Let's say again I'm running. Now this time I'm giving 0. So let's see, it is the number entered is 0. So this is how we use if, elif and else loop in Python. Okay, if you like this video, then go and like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get every day a notification for new programs that are being uploaded and you can get some hands-on experience. So thank you for watching.